What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to link Dsers to your Shopify store. Now Dsers is a dropshipping provider or supplier that can allow you to import products from AliExpress to your Shopify store. And to do so it's pretty easy. You need to go here to apps and then go to apps or recommended apps, Shopify App Store from here, or simply go to the Shopify App Store directly. That's apps.shopify.com. And here you want to search for Dsers. Okay, hit enter. And here it is, the Dsers AliExpress dropshipping. Just click on it, install. And of course, you first need to go to Dsers, the Dsers website, that's dsers.com. Create an account, it's totally free and easy to do. Click on install once again. And it'll redirect you to the Dsers webpage where you can create an account or register here. So you can log in if you do already have an account, and logging in will complete the integration, and now Dsers is integrated into your Shopify store and you would be able to import products. Now here I'll just log in since I already have an account. Okay, and it asks me if I want to log in and authorize. Okay, confirm. And now link my supplier. I need to link AliExpress here. Okay, click on it. It'll redirect me to another page where I need to log in with my AliExpress account here. So I need to log in to AliExpress here. And now once I did here, I can update abnormal. These are the stores that I linked with Dsers before. Okay, I don't need to relink here. Okay, and now your Dsers is installed and it's connected to your AliExpress store, where you can here add products from AliExpress through Dsers to your Shopify store.